Please hear this heart of mine. Hear me calling whenever you're around me. I feel different in your arms with the way you touch me. I feel the love that lasts a lifetime. Your love so true. I never knew that it's you I need all this time. See these tears that keep falling from my eyes, wishing that I never let you go, my baby. Take this heart, fill me with your love. Please hear these words of mine. Hear me calling whenever you're around me. I feel different in your arms with the way you touch me.
Yung delivery tapos bali ang payment po is about 5,000. So hindi ko rin alam, ma'am, kasi nakapangalan po sa inyo eh. So opo, hindi pa po siya bayad. So
Anong delivery?
hindi ko rin po. Pakichat na lang kung kayo talaga yung Casting Joy De Castro. After 2 years in Francis 1 Pag-ibig Subdivision. Tama ba?
That lasts a lifetime. Your love so true. And I never knew that it's you and me all this
Thank you po.
Sa kanya.
Nagulat ako eh kasi hindi ko kailangan sila. Oo naman, nagulat niya ako.
So, ma'am, bali ang Erica Surprise Gift Delivery po ay napagkatiwalaan po ng boyfriend niyo po na i-deliver po para sa inyo. At lahat po ng iyan ay para sa inyo.
love so true. I never knew that it's you I need all this time.
Ano nagustuhan mo? I love you. Gusto ko eh, para sa ano magustuhan mo?
And I awake thinking of the days gone by.